How to complete KYC on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can complete your KYC on Binance. So in order to complete your identity verification or KYC on Binance, first of all you need to log in. So once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So over here you'll need to go ahead and select the profile icon located in the top left hand side corner of your screen. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see your profile information. So over here you need to go ahead and select action required. That's going to direct you to the web page where you can start verifying your identity. So in order to start with the verification process, click on get verified located right at the bottom. So basically getting verified access you with a lot of features that's not available when you don't have a verified account. In order to verify or to get verified, you'll have to go through all of these steps. So you need to go ahead and enter in your personal information, your government issued ID. You can just go ahead and select the continue button in order to proceed on. Due to some security concern, the screen might not appear on your device. So I'm just going to instruct, so follow it carefully. So first of all, it's going to ask you to provide in your legal name. So make sure to provide in the name that's according to your state ID. Once you're done with this procedure, click the continue button and then select your nationality here. Once you're done selecting your nationality, click the continue button. To here, you'll need to verify your date of birth. So for that, enter in your date of birth. Enter in your residential address according to your state ID. Now provide in the postal code as well of the particular country. Once done, here you'll be asked to provide in your document types. So you can either provide in your passport, ID card or driving license, whichever is convenient. So I'm going to go with the passport and click the continue button. Next page, you'll have to take a clear picture of the particular document and click the continue button in order to take a picture, or you can upload it from your existing photo. So go ahead and select existing upload and click the continue button. As soon as you've done with that procedure, next page is going to ask you to enter in or provide in your email address or a contact details or a phone number. So go through it and enter in the information. As soon as you're done with that procedure, you'll be notified with the statement stating that you've successfully verified your Binance account. So in that way you can verify your Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.